Hello, everybody. This is Dat, D-A-T. I'm a real estate broker licensed in California and also in Utah. Today, I wanted to introduce you this exciting opportunity. It's called Loss Mitigation and Loan Modification Program. You have heard the last year and a half or 2 years, you have heard this financial meltdown going on. Banks are closing, and also there's a lot of foreclosures going on. I just wanted to make sure that you have an opportunity to take advantage of this situation and make a lot of money onto it. Loss mitigation is a multi-trillion-dollar loss mitigation foreclosure prevention industry. You could essentially earn $500 to $2,000 per client. Essentially, this is a very, very good opportunity. You add income and also increase your leads and clients to your existing business with little effort. As you know, the folks that are actually in need right now, if you help them, you become their trusted advisors. If you're in the future, in terms of their needs and requirements, they probably go to you since they trust you right now in terms of helping them right now. So this is a good opportunity. Again, you can take advantage of it right now. So what is loss mitigation? Loss mitigation programs were established by the federal government and the mortgage industry in order to avoid home foreclosures. They help families in default on their mortgages to find alternatives to home foreclosure. Again, the key is avoid home foreclosures. We will go over some of the solutions and alternatives to foreclosure a little bit, but essentially, why would these people at least need your help and service? The reason why is essentially you are a third party, you're neutral, and also because if the homeowner is in default or about to default, they may not want to talk to the lender because they don't have money to pay, or at least for some other reasons or situation they're in right now. They do not want to talk to the lender. And if they do ever talk to the lender, they don't know what information to give them or who to contact, the right contact, and the right information to in order to proceed with loss mitigation. So that's how you come in. You're a third party. You will negotiate with the lender on their behalf to attempt with a workable solution. And these solutions I'm gonna go over a little later. So again, you need to understand the homeowner situation. Each homeowner situation is unique, and also the lender institution has their own guidelines as well. Even though the federal government has these programs, they apply differently to each lender. So you need to understand, first of all, the homeowner situation, and then you work with the lender to come up with a solution. So that will be a win-win situation. So this is all about loss mitigation. I wanted to go over next about the key issues and facts about loss mitigation. Loss mitigation is not a refinancing program. So if their existing lender is ABC, you don't go to XYZ to refinancing their loan. Essentially, you work with ABC to see if there is a solution, alternatives in regards to foreclosure. And loss mitigation is not a short sale, so you don't go to the lender and say you want to do a short sale. What you want to do first is to find, in terms of solution, so that way the homeowners can stay in the home. If the solution is not available, then you ask the lenders for a short sale. And then the next thing I want to go over is essentially loss mitigation focused on net income, not gross income. More likely when the homeowners tell you about how much money they make, like $5,000 a month or $10,000 a month, that's more likely they like their gross income. But you need to take into factor about their taxes and also expenses when determining the net income. So I just want to highlight that. You may or may not know about it. The other thing is about credit score and FICO score. It doesn't mean anything in loss mitigation. So you may want to run the credit report to check in terms of the debt, but you don't, FICO score doesn't mean anything. In regards to homeowners who are not upset, who are not in the default right now, they're upside down in terms of value. They may also be qualified. So you can just look into that and see if you can help those people as well. So again, the homeowners does not need to be in default right now in order to take advantage of this loss mitigation. Some of the solutions and also alternatives plans to prevent foreclosures are forbearance plans, there are repayment plans, loan modification that we talked about quite a bit, the partial claim programs, and also the VA loan modification. So these are alternatives that you may want to look into in order to prevent foreclosures. Okay, so I wanted to, in terms of tell you again, take advantage of it right now. Contact us immediately. Become a solution to the multi-trillion-dollar industry. If you're not making $500 or $2,000 per file, please contact us and see how we can help you in terms of pay out you more for your hard work. If you're a homeowner facing a situation, contact us and see if we can help you. And if you want to help other people and make money in the meantime and also become a solution, please contact us and we'll get you started immediately. My contact information on the top right hand side. Please give me a call right away and you get started right away and make you money and help people as well in the meantime as well. So it's a win-win situation. So I look forward to talk to everybody and in terms of work with you. Thank you. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.